Let us explore more of those cool methods that Seaborn provides us. How about if we plot all the relationships of all the parameters together according to a certain species or according to a certain male or female? Like right now, we were actually choosing these two parameters ourselves and choosing according to what we would like to plot them. How about we depict everything just all at once? Let's see how we can do that. And this is one of the most powerful techniques that we can use in Seaborn. So we're going to say sns.pairplot, and we are going to pass the dataset we have. We would like to plot all of these parameters with respect to two things, with respect, let's say, to sex. All right, and let's plot it. And here you go. This is all the relationships with respect to sex. All of them. Look, you have four parameters. Four parameters. The blues are the males, the oranges are the females, and all the relationships. For example, if you take the bill length here, you'll see that some of them are points and some of them are graphs. The graphs is when you are comparing a parameter to itself. Let's say you are comparing the length of the bill, but you are also distinguishing between male and female. And you can see here, for example, that the bill length is actually similar between male and female. Same thing here, we see that they are similar. Here we can see that the female has more flipper length than the male. And we can see here that the body mass of the female is more than the body mass of the male. Now let's take a look at other relationships. Here is the bill length and here is my bill depth. And you'll see if there is a separation between this data. Remember when I told you about clustering? This is what I mean. I would like to see if I can separate these data from each other. Let's skim these plots quickly to see which data could be separated. We will see that bill depth with flipper length can be actually separated. There is some overlapping, but we can actually get away with some separation. However, for example, the body mass and the flipper length, these data cannot be really clustered easily. So if you provide me with only these two parameters, I will be having a really hard time to separate them. So this is how we create pair plots, and it could work on any dataset you have. And you almost don't have to write any code to see these relationships.